Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to edit a TikTok after posting. TikTok's really strict about what you can do after you post it, regardless if it's just something simple like a filter or adding a caption. So you want to be really careful when you're adding a TikTok that you know that it's going to be your final product. But I'll walk you through how to fix it if you've already posted it. I have TikTok already open, so let's jump in. If I wanted to say change the caption of my first video, what I want to do first is go to the three dots, push save video. Right now it's saving it to my phone's photos. If I go to my photos, I can see it right here, the first one. So now that I know I've had it, I can go back to TikTok, go back out, and I can go to add button, go to upload, pick the video I want. If I want to change, the timing of it, there, you change, all your text, whatever you wanted. Fix or update this hashtag that you wanted that wanted to change, and then next, and then go ahead and post. Right now it's posting my video. The next step would be go to me, and then you could see that I have the old video here and the new video here, and I'd want to go to and click on the old video that I wanted to change, click on the three dots, scroll over, and then hit delete. And just hit confirm, and there you go. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.